So hey guys, the Galaxy Note 20 range has arguably the most passionate smartphone fans in the world, and now it's time to kick off the rumors and leaks about the Galaxy Note 20 series. So there are some leaks about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series. So in terms of display, we can see a major upgrade over the Galaxy S20 screens thanks to Samsung, which announced its new enhanced OLED display have now entered mass production, which means Samsung Galaxy S20 owners just missed out. Samsung also promises lower power consumption and reduced blue light in these panels. They says our 5G optimized OLED display is taking the lead in 5G era with its crystal clear imagery, distinguished designs, economical power consumption and increasingly eye protective functionality. So yeah, in terms of display we can see major improvements over the Galaxy S20 series. So in terms of performance, there have been no Galaxy Note 20 specs leaks yet. But this is one area where we already know what will happen because it happens every year. The Galaxy Note 20 lineup will get the same Snapdragon 865 SoC silicon for the US variants, and for the European markets or Asian markets, they will get Exynos 990 SoC silicon only. So in terms of storage, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series will get big upgrade over the Galaxy S20 series. Samsung confirmed mass production has begun of its next generation UFS 3.1 storage. Samsung also says that this storage is 3 times faster as compared to UFS 3.0 memory inside the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy S20 series. In addition to this, UFS 3.1 is 60% faster for random read speeds and write speeds, and also UFS 3.1 will come in 3 variants: 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage capacity, and will be available for smartphones in the second half of the year. Also, there is an interesting leak that says Samsung is considering bringing back the micro SD card slot, which was controversially removed from the entry-level Galaxy Note 10 last year. Most of the Galaxy Note 20 series hardware will be same as the current generation Galaxy S20 series. There will be no major upgrade over the Galaxy S20, and we can only expect the major upgrade in the S Pen only. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the Galaxy Note 20 series, and also I'll see you in my next video.